How to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to bank account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to bank account. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap to bank account, as Coinmarketcap is primarily a crypto price tracking and data aggregation platform, not an exchange or wallet where you could store or trade cryptocurrencies. So basically, what you could do in that situation, you could do is, what you could do is the alternative way is that when you go to the home page or log into your Coinmarketcap, you want to go ahead and create a bot file. Now, this is basically where you could actually store or connect other cryptocurrency wallet. Here, what you could do is you could go ahead and connect to the exchange platform. Let's say I'm gonna go with the OKX. All right, so you want to do the same thing, that is select the asset that you want to buy or that you want to withdraw, and here you'll be taken to the next field where you could actually go ahead and do the same percent, and you could go ahead and transfer the money, or you could convert it to fiat currency and then transfer it to your bank account. So this is one way of doing it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.